Good afternoon, Bicol University. The university celebrates its 51st founding anniversary with the theme Burugkos Burunyog sa Pagandurog sa Panahon ng Pandemya. This time of pandemic, the tireless work, bravery at the front lines is an inspiration to the community. In support to the unwavering efforts, values, and heroic deeds of the frontliners, everyone has its way of serving others in these most trying times. BUNUs respond and take the call and continue to make initiatives to extend assistance during this time of pandemic. Distribution of relief packs, initiation of advocacy through making their own personalized protective equipment, project launch in the barangay level are just some of the initiatives given by the alumni. Bicol University community takes pride to alumni who have selfless ways and motives to assist frontliners and extending help to others in these most trying times. It is for this very reason that we need to appreciate and recognize their meritorious services to other people, groups, and society. Hence, today formally features their efforts, and virtual awards and recognition to our dearest alumni will commence. To start with our program, let us have the invocation and Philippine National Anthem.
To you, O Lord, I will lift up my hands. I trust in you everything I have. To you, O Lord, I will lift up my soul. Please come into my heart and make me whole. Your name, O Lord, I will glorify. I'll praise your words and all your might. Your name, O Lord, I will magnify every day of my life, so I won't cry. Lord, teach me your path and show me the way. Guide me in your truth and lead me, for you are my God and my Savior. All my hope is in you all day long. And Lord, bring me with you wherever you go. Never leave me all alone, for you are my light and salvation. All my trust I will give to you forevermore. And Lord, please bring me with you wherever you go. Never leave me all alone, for you are my light and salvation. All my trust I will give to you forevermore, now and forevermore. All my trust I will give to you forevermore.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
And now, to grace the occasion with this welcome message, we are indeed honored to have with us today the very revered Bicol University President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas.
To our Vice Presidents, to our Deans and Directors, to the Director of the Alumni Relations Office, to the President of Bugay, to our dear alumni, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Honra, asin, pasasalamat. Honor and gratitude. Two great acts that require humility. For when we are grateful, we acknowledge that we can never achieve anything without the others. And when we give due honor and recognition, we are simply acknowledging that the world is a community of people, helping people. That indeed, if we want to achieve more and perform significant acts, then it is better to share the burden with others. If there's anything that this pandemic has shown me, it is that anything can be overcome when done collectively. In the few weeks after the lockdown, resulting from the spread of COVID-19, our alumni frontliners from all sectors and the rest of the community have been bearing the weight of this pandemic as we continually fight an unseen enemy. But as a socially responsive university, we cannot let this biggest fight go on without helping in whatever way we can. Hence, we started our COVID-19 initiatives, which we even documented in a video. These timely COVID-19 initiatives of Bicol University would not have been made possible without the strong support of our alumni. They are the very reason why we have dedicated this day to honor them and express our unending gratitude to the continued support in all the endeavors of Bicol University, most especially the help they have extended in responding to the needs brought by these pandemic times. I have said this many times, but I will never get tired of saying them again. The strength of a university is doubly magnified through the strength and love of its alumni. Honra, asin, pasasalamat. We raise our hearts to you, my dear alumni, in an unending gratitude for not forgetting your alma mater, for treating Bicol University as your second home, and for glorifying your God through service and compassion. Now, more than ever, with a program that we have launched on Tabang's Pag-Adal for our dear students, we need your help once again. But there are plenty of days for this still. For today, let the honor and gratitude from your Bicol University family be the only moment you remember for this day and the rest of your lives. Thank you, our dear alumni. Thank you, our beloved frontliners. Know that in your journey, as we heal as one, Bicol University family, our thoughts of honors, gratitude, and prayers will always be with you. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much to our dear President for that warm welcome message. The presentation was made for all the captured and submitted documentaries of the unwavering efforts of our alumni in response to COVID-19 pandemic. Brace yourself and heads up, BUNU alumni. And now let us move on to the awarding of certificates to all the alumni who made a difference this time of pandemic. Digital certificates were made to all submitted documents with the following criteria: a Bicol University alumnus, an alumni batch or association, a unit college coordinator who exemplifies outstanding service to the community beyond the call of duty, and heroic performance with a strong spirit of volunteerism among the frontliners leading the country's battle against COVID-19. The citation reads, Bicol University Alumni Relations Office, Legazpi City, Certificate of Appreciation or Certificate of Commendation is hereby awarded to the name of awardee in grateful acknowledgement of her dedication, commitment, and unwavering effort extended to frontliners this time of COVID-19 pandemic. Given during the BU 51st founding anniversary with the theme Burugos Burunyog sa Pag-andurog sa Panahon ng Pandemya on September 25, 2020 at Bicol University, Legazpi City. Signed, Dr. Charina J. Sipcon, Director, Bicol University Alumni Relations Office, and Dr. Arnulfo Tulfo M. Mascareñas, SUC President 4. And now, may I present to you the awardees in each category. In time, a message of gratitude will be given to us by the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated President. Let us all welcome Professor Edgar S. Barameda.
Hello, fellow alumni of the Bicol University. On behalf of the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, allow us to extend our greetings and express our congratulatory message to the Alumni Relations Office of the Bicol University, headed by Dr. Charina J. Sipcon, the ARO Director, for coming up with this project, the honra asin pasasalamat sa alumni to appreciate and recognize the unwavering efforts of our alumni to support our frontliners who are risking their lives in fighting COVID-19. May this simple acknowledgement inspire them that in the performance of their duties and responsibilities, their alma mater, through the Alumni Relations Office, are with them, appreciating their laudable contribution in the society. Indeed, these alumni especially those who are directly involved in confronting the pandemic, are true exemplars of the values or 4 pillars of the university, and that is scholarship, character, leadership, and most of all, service. Again, congratulations, Aro, and salute to the awardees. Happy 51st Foundation Anniversary, Bicol University.
Thank you very much to our dear President for that warm welcome message. Before we end with our program, we would like to thank the Bicol University President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Amelia A. Dorosan, Academic Deans and Directors, Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated Officers, headed by the President and Alumni Regents, Professor Edgar S. Barameda, all Unit College Alumni Coordinators, Alumni Relations Office staff, Mr. Jason Barameda, faculty, non-teaching staff, students, guests, ladies and gentlemen, for making this program possible and great success. This concludes our program. This is your Lady of Ceremony, Professor Charina J. Sipcon. Thank you for being with us in today's alumni activity, and happy Bicol University 51st Founding Anniversary.